Hello everyone and welcome back again. I'm Madeline, also known as KnittingHouseSquare, and today I'll be doing another review of a kit. So this is a brand that I've never ordered a kit from before. Let me find the name. So this is going to be a Craftsy Kit, and in keeping along with the theme of the last one I did, so the last review I did was a We Are Knitters long sleeve sweater called the Abruzzo sweater, and so for this one I ordered another kind of summertime themed sweater. So this one's going to be a short sleeve, kind of like a t-shirt, also knit out of cotton yarn. So keeping along those lines, and I've kind of decided to pick these, first off because it's springtime right now, and second of all because I already have quite a few wool sweaters, so I'm trying to kind of expand the sweater collection that I have and branch out into some different areas. So I'm excited to try this kit. It took about a little under a week to arrive. It was shipped by can't remember, but it was delivered by USPS was the final leg. So that was nice. And so yeah, let's open it up and see what's inside. So when this one was first delivered, I was actually pretty surprised about how tiny of a box it came in, and pretty impressed. So this is my Craftsy box right here. It has the cute little knit stitches on one side. I'm gonna guess that's fabric on the other. And then this is the last kit box I ordered. So this is the We Are Knitters. And so this box is significantly larger than this tiny little Craftsy box. But yeah, let's open it up and see what's inside. So here's what's inside. So it looks like it all comes in a plastic drawstring bag. And I should have all my yarn and then a pattern. So this is the pattern I'll be knitting. The Niazuma sweater. There it is in the full thing. So I haven't quite decided yet. I'll probably knit the extra small or the small size. It looks like 33 inch or 37. So I'll probably actually go with the 33-inch one just for me. And so yeah, it's a really nice, let me flip through here real quick. It's a really nice printed in color pattern. And then it looks like I got 5 of these cotton yarns. So this is the, get it to focus, Cloudborn Fibers, Pima Cotton DK in the Thistle colorway. So it's a DK weight, you get 231 yards, and it's 100 grams. So it does say you can machine wash this one as well, which is nice. I'm excited about that aspect of all these sweaters. So yeah, so now I'm gonna start winding these up and get ready to cast on, and I'll give you an update once I've started knitting. Hey, so I'm back again to give my update on knitting the sweater. So far out of the sweater, I have knit, okay, so I've knit the back panel, and I'm part of the way up the front panel. So I thought I'd just give you an update on kind of how it's going so far. So first to show you the pieces, oops, that's the back. Sorry, it's on scrap yarn right now, so you can't really see the full effect. But this is the back piece. And sorry, it looks a little wrinkly. I guess that's one of the downsides a little bit of the cotton yarn, is that it tends to wrinkle, because I just have this kind of balled up on my cabinet. But here is that piece. The yarn does knit up really nicely, and it's very, very soft. Then here is the next piece that I've been working on. Sorry if you can hear like the truck parked outside. It's running. Yes, so these are the 2 pieces. And to make these 2, I've used up 2 things of the yarn. They gave me 5 total, so 3 left. And I think I might even end up with like 1 extra of these. I'm not too worried at all about running out of yarn. So there was only, I think I found maybe like 1 typo in the pattern so far, just where they were talking about switching needle sizes, and they they said switch to the larger needle size like twice or something like that. But that wasn't a big deal at all. I was able to figure out. The only thing I have noticed that I'm not too sure about right now is that the bottom of the pattern, like this hem down here, it does like to fold up. And then as soon as you put it down, it starts folding up again. So I'm hoping when I block it, I'll be able to get that out and it'll lay flat. But then when I was looking at the picture more closely, after I noticed that, you can kind of see the hem of that sweater is folding up. So that's just one thing to keep in mind. So I think even after I wash it, I'll still likely have this problem. So yes, definitely keep that in mind. I'll let you know what happens with that after I wash it and everything. I'm hoping I can figure out a way to keep it down. If not, I can't really switch it at this point, right? Because that's where I cast on, but maybe doing ribbing or something like that would be a better option than the more decorative look that they go for in this pattern. But yes, other than that, I'm going to keep on knitting away. I've got a lot of stockinette to knit on this front piece, and then of course the 2 sleeves after that. So I'll give you an update when it's all done. So I am back now with the finished sweater, or I guess really we could call this one a t-shirt, and I really like how the finished project came out. So it's kind of like a loose t-shirt, which I think will make it really comfortable for throughout the springtime or summertime, because it's been really, really hot here in Philadelphia. So I think this would be perfect for that. The fabric drapes really nicely, and yeah, I just like overall, I like it quite a bit. Starting off with how much yarn I had left over. So I was correct in my prediction from earlier on that I was probably going to have about a skein left over. So this is just about one, a little bit less though, so maybe about 3/4 of a skein. So I had no concerns really that I was ever going to run out of yarn with this, and this is quite a bit. And then for my other concern that I had from earlier on about the edges rolling up, I'll stand up real quick to show you, when I did the edges of this sweater, it actually doesn't do that at all. So I just blocked it flat. Well, I washed it, and then I just laid it out flat. I seamed it, washed it, laid it out flat, was the order I did it in. And yeah, like even on the sleeves, there's nothing trying to roll up or anything like that. So that's not an issue. I'm not sure why this one's rolling up on her. But yeah, didn't end up being an issue at all. I really like it. When I did wash it, this yarn didn't bleed at all, I don't think. So it kept all of its color. And yeah, I didn't have any problems with the pattern really. I'd say it's good for like maybe an intermediate knitter. There were a couple times where you had to do multiple things at once. Like around this region, you had to work the chevron pattern while doing the neck and the side. So as long as you can keep those 3 things straight. But yeah, if you're comfortable with that, then I would say give it a go. I'm excited to start wearing the sweater. I think it'll be one that I can wear every day out and about. So I hope you've really enjoyed this review of the Craftsy pattern. If you have any questions of things I didn't answer in this video, feel free to leave them in the comments down below, and I'll be happy to answer them.